am Seema Vishwas from Shikha Vidyalaya. I have taught you three letter words with short vowel sounds. In my previous videos, I hope you have practiced three letter words. क्या बच्चों आपने मेरा पहले का वीडियो देखा है? इन वीडियो की मदद से आप अपने टेक्स्ट बुक में पेज नंबर 3 में दिए गए शॉर्ट वॉवेल साउंड्स ऑफ ए, ई, आई, ओ, यू से बनने वाले शब्दों को पढ़ने एवं लिखने का अभ्यास करें। बच्चों, आज मैं आपको पेज नंबर 4 में दिए गए एक्सरसाइज को समझाऊंगी। सो प्लीज ओपन योर बुक, पेज नंबर 4। Write the correct vowel to complete the names of the objects. Write the correct vowel to complete the names of the objects. 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 Object means things. These are different things. These are different things. So, look at this object. This is called lid. This is called lid. Lid is a cover of a container. Lid is a cover of a container. Which vowel should we put here? A or I? To complete the name lid. You know A sound A, I sound E. A sound A and I sound E. So we should put I to complete the name. We should put I to complete the name. Now look at this next object. This is called pen. You know pen? We write with it. You know we write with it. Which vowel should we put here? E or I? To complete the name. So, E sound A, I sound E. E sound A, I sound E. So, we put E to complete the name. P-E-N, pen. P-E-N, pen. Look at this object. This is called win. This is called win. Win means to be the best, first or strongest in race, game, competition, etc. Win means to be the best, first or strongest in race, game, competition, etc. Which vowel should we put here? I or E? So, I sound E and E sound A. I sound E and E sound A. To complete the name. So, we put it I to complete the name. We put I complete the name. W-I-N, win. W-I-N, win. Look at this object. This is called log. This is called log. Log means a thick piece of wood that has fallen or been cut from a tree. Log means a thick piece of wood that has fallen or been cut from a tree. Which vowel should we put here? A or O? To complete the name log. So, you know A sound A and O sound O. A sound A and O sound O. So, we put O to complete the name. L-O-G, log. L-O-G, log. Look at this object. This is called cup. This is called cup. A small container, usually with a handle, used for drinking. A small container, usually with a handle, used for drinking. Which vowel should we put here to complete the name? So, you know I sound I and U sound A. I sound I and U sound A. So, we put U to complete the name. We put U to complete the name. C-U-P, cup. C-U-P, cup. So, look at this next object. This is called map. This is called map. Map means drawing and plan for something. I repeat, map means drawing and plan for something. Which vowel should we put here to complete the name? You know A sound A and U sound A. So, we put A to complete the name. We put A to complete the name. M-A-P, map. M-A-P, map. Now, look at this object. This is called peg. This is called peg. Peg means to fix or keep something at a certain level. I repeat, peg means to fix or keep something at a certain level. So, which vowel should we put here to complete the name? You know, O sound O and E sound A. So, we put E to complete the name. We put E to complete the name. P-E-G, peg. P-E-G, peg. Now, look at this object. This is called bib. This is called bib. Bib means a piece of cloth that a small child wears under the chin to protect its clothes while it is eating. So, you know O sound O and I sound E. O sound O and I sound E. Which vowel should we put here to complete the word, to complete the name? Okay. So, we put I to complete the name. We put I to complete the name. B-I-B, bib. B-I-B, bib. So, look at this. Look at this object. This is called cob. This is called cob. Cob means the central cylindrical woody part of the maize, ear to which the grains are attached. Which vowel should we put here? O or E? You know O sound O and E sound A. O sound O and E sound A. So, we put O to complete the name. We put O to complete the name. C-O-B, cob. C-O-B, cob. Now, look at this last object. This is called tub. This is called tub. Tub is a large round container. Tub is a large round container. Which vowel should we put here to complete the name? You know A sound A and U sound A. So, we put U to complete the name. We put U to complete the name. T-U-B, tub. T-U-B, tub. So, your exercise is over. Thank you for listening. I hope you have understood how to do the exercise. Now, you do it on your own. Goodbye, children.